WHE-10 is one of DD-MAL wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit with simple installation, making it ideal for applications that require frequent move or have tiny installation space. In direct connection mode, it is plug and play without any setup, and the transmission distance is up to 130 feet 40 minutes. Both TX and RX of WHE-10 support OSD settings. Text, image or logo can be superposed at any position of the real-time video stream of WHE-10 TX, while display image of different status can be modified on WHE-10 RX. You can use custom images to replace corresponding pages like no signal screen and waiting connection screen. You can also use a custom logo to replace the default logo on the switch channel screen. In router relay mode, WHE-10 can be connected to a router, allowing for longer transmission distances and easier wall penetration of signal. Wherever Wi-Fi coverage reaches, can video be transmitted to. WHE-10 supports various using scenarios such as one-to-many, many-to-one, and many-to-many. At the same time, a professional iOS app is crafted for easy device control on mobile phones. Click the widget Broadcast below the TX to broadcast corresponding TX output video to all RXs. Click the arrow key behind the RX to switch video sources. Or you can press the set button on the TX for one-click broadcast. In short, press the set button on the RX to switch video sources. WHE-10 supports to add new features by online firmware updates to meet customers' diverse application needs. Besides the functions of WHE-10, DD-MAL WHE-20 supports 4K UHD video input and output, providing users with a higher quality visual experience.